Hey friends, let's make some soup. So this is gonna be some sausage type chili. I didn't have any kidney beans, so I'm using some pinto beans, a can of crushed tomatoes, some tomato salsa, and what do I got? 2, 4, 6, 7 sausage patties. So I'm gonna brown these, get these nice and cooked in there. Throw some onions in there, and get that kind of brown a little bit, and then add my tomatoes and stuff and throw in some spices, and we'll call it good. So let's work on that. I'm going to chop up some onions, throw those in there, maybe some garlic, and we'll show you that in just a second. Okay, so I chopped up a red onion and a yellow onion, or white onion. I'll throw a little bit of salt in here. And some pepper. And let's go with some chili powder. Okay. Can't have chili without chili powder, can you? I don't think so. Oh yeah, lots of chili powder. And maybe like a tablespoon of this, depending on how chili you like the chili. Okay. Also going to do a little bit of garlic powder here. Oops. Ginger. I don't want ginger. I want garlic powder. Alright. There's my garlic powder. Some garlic powder in there. Okay, we're going to let that cook some more. I'm going to stir it around, get those juices mixed in with the onions, get those kind of caramelized, and add my crushed tomatoes and beans and salsa. And it should be ready to eat. Alright, I chopped up a bunch of the onions with my spoon. I'm sorry, not the onions. Sausage patties. Now you can use hamburger or other meat, or no meat if you want. I think it tastes better with some flavor in there with the meat. So, we got some sausage patties. Next best thing, the hamburger patties. These are pre-cooked ones. This is cooking pretty good. We're almost ready to add our sauces, so I'm going to open up these cans and we'll be right back. Alright, so it's looking pretty good there. Nice and brown. Just going to go ahead and add some. This is a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Okay. Have a can of tomato salsa. And then a partially drained can of pinto beans. Sure I get all that. That's about it, my friends. Might throw some honey in here, maybe some Worcestershire sauce. That's pretty much what we're looking at right now. I didn't have any kidney beans. Maybe we'll throw some corn in here, mixed vegetables too, just for the fun of it. But that's what we're looking at. I'm going to let this, put the heat down a little bit and let this simmer with the lid on. And call it good. But that's a quick and easy way to make a soup. You can taste it if you want a little bit of, if it needs more salt or whatever. And you're free to add different things in here. Like I said, I'll probably add some corn or mixed vegetables in here too. So thanks for watching, my friends. How to make this kind of soup chili. And everyone have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.